Hey guys, I wanted to take a quick second to put together a short video for you guys so that you can see how to email projects from AQNet using Outlook Web Access. This will hopefully be a temporary fix until Hardwire can get back with me about the security changes that need to be made to allow you guys' laptops to connect to our Exchange server outside the office. We're hoping that'll be done within the next day or so. But for now, this is about the only way that you'll be able to email projects directly from your computer using Outlook Web Access. So the first thing you need to do is go into AQNet, select the project that you want to email. Once you have that project highlighted in your projects listing, go up to the print option as if you were going to print the document. Select either quote or spreadsheet depending on which one that you're wanting to try to email. For this case, we're going to just go ahead and use quote. After you've selected that, it should open the AQ viewer and show the quote that you're wanting to send. Now at this point, be sure that you do not select PDF email or HTML email because it won't work right now. What you're going to want to do is select the small diskette here on the left hand side, click that, and it's going to open up a Save a Copy dialog box on your computer. Select your desktop and then click Save. And what that's going to do is put a copy of that quote on your desktop. Now I have two copies because I tested this before I put this video together. So there's basically a copy of the quote now on your desktop in PDF format. Looks like this if you try to open it up. Okay? So once you have that document on your desktop, what you need to do then is open up your Internet Explorer and browse out to the Outlook Web Access portal on your computer. For you guys, it's going to be http://mail.48inc.com/exchange. That's http://mail.48inc.com/exchange. Now, since I'm in the office, it's a little bit different, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. When you open that up with the email address or with the web address that I gave you, it's going to bring up a dialog box that looks like this. Here you'll need to put in your 48 username, which for most of you is probably either your first initial and last name or first and middle initial and last name. And then you need to put in your password. And when you do, it's going to bring you to something that looks similar to this. And if you have any announcements or any calendar appointments or anything like that, then it will bring them up here. So at this point, what you need to do is click on the New button, which will open up a box for you to create a new email message. Put in the to box the email address that you're wanting to send the document to. If you want to carbon copy anyone or blind carbon copy anyone, you would put it in those two boxes, and then put in your subject line, quote for, etc., etc. You would type your message, anything that you want to put there. And then what you want to do to attach the quote to the message is click on this Attachments button. When you click on the Attachments button, it wants you to choose a file to attach. Click the Browse button, and then again click on your My Desktop icon over on the left. When you do, it's going to bring up everything that's on your desktop, and as you can see, both of those documents that I saved are here. So I select the document, click Open, then I click on the Attach button. When I do, it shows that document here. I click Close, and it shows the attachment here. At this point, once you've got your message and everything, you click on the Send button, and then it sends the email to the recipient. Now in this case, I sent it to myself, so if I do a Send and Receive, there's the quote that I just sent to myself. So I know that this involves a few more steps than what we would like, and as I say, this is hopefully a temporary fix, but for now that's about the only way that you can send quotes using Outlook Web Access, until we can get Outlook set up on your computers. So once we have that information from Hardwire, I'll get started on that, and like I said, I'm hoping that'll be sometime today or tomorrow at the very latest. So I hope this guy helps you guys, and if you have any other questions, just let me know.